So hey guys, what's up? This is me Satya from the channel Stunning Satya there, and today in this video we are going to we are just going to look at the Mi Band HRX editions, a quick unboxing. Sorry, I've already unboxed it. Let's just see what are the stuffs that we are getting with the box. So firstly you got the band and the band machine itself. Okay, so let's now unpack the box and see what are the stuffs that you are getting in the box. Okay, so here is the box. Let's unpack it. Okay, you see we are getting some quick guidelines, and which I don't need, and we also don't need because we are smart enough. Yeah, we are smart enough. What we need is this charger. This charger is definitely a need thing, because without this you cannot charge this machine or the Mi Band. Okay, so you have to connect it like this. You can see you have to connect the band like this, and you have to fix and connect it with a travel adapter, which will be a rating of 5 volt 2 ampere or a fast charger, that doesn't matter. Okay, so guys, let's quickly look at the facilities this band provides you for the worth it takes, which is $12.99. so it generally shows you the time, the battery percentage, the distance traveled, the calories burnt, and date, time, month, year, XYZ. Yes, these facilities are really a good and handy one, which is shown in this band quite accurately. And additionally, if you can get the message alerts like WhatsApp messages, Facebook, Instagram message alerts also. You can see it with your band. Just you have to connect your band with your smartphone, and then you are all set. So this is pretty much the band offers. And additionally, you can also connect you can also control your music. Yes, you can also control your music. You can play, pause, forward, next, XYZ. Yes, you can control it, but you need a third-party application, which I will be talking about in my next video. So stay tuned, and that's the video all about. I think that this band is pretty much useful to all of you out there, and yes, my video too. So thanks for watching, and I'll be meeting with my next one. Thanks, bye bye.